Let's take one numerical on Wien-Bridge oscillator. Determine the component values for Wien-Bridge oscillator used to obtain the frequency of 12 kHz. So in this problem, we are supposed to design a Wien-Bridge oscillator such that it should produce an output which oscillates with a frequency of 12 kHz. That is, it should produce the which oscillates with a frequency of 12 kHz. It means that here I have shown the circuit for Wien-Bridge oscillator. Determine the component values. It means that we are supposed to calculate or supposed to find the values of R1, R2, R3, R4, C1 and C2 such that it should produce the output signal which oscillates with a frequency of 12 kHz. We know that the frequency of oscillation in Wien-Bridge oscillator is given by F is equal to 1 over 2 pi under root R1 R2 C1 C2 Hertz. So here the F value is given, that is 12 kHz. We'll assume let R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R and C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C. So if you assume R1 equal to R2 equal to R and C1 equal to C2 equal to C, the F equation can be rewritten as 1 over 2 pi R1 is equal to R2, that is it becomes R square under root R square and this becomes C square, which can be written as 1 over 2 pi R into C. So this is the frequency of oscillation of Wien-Bridge oscillator. Now given the frequency, that is 12 kHz, so I can write 12 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to 1 over 2 pi RC. Therefore I can write RC is equal to 12 into 10 raised to 3 into 2 pi inverse. Therefore simplifying this, 12 kilo into 2 pi, so taking inverse of this, it gives 13.26 micro, that is 10 raised to minus 6. Therefore here RC value is 13.26 into 10 raised to minus 6. But we know that R is nothing but R1 and R2, and in this equation the product of RC is 13.26 into 10 raised to minus 6. So among these two unknown variables, we supposed to assume one value. We'll choose the value of C as 0.001. Let C is equal to 0.001 microfarad. So if we choose the value of C, then with the help of this equation we can easily find the value of R. Therefore I can write R is equal to 13.26 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by C value, that is 0.001 into micro is nothing but 10 raised to minus 6. So simplifying this, divided by 0.001 micro, it gives the resistor value as 13.26 kilo ohm, 13.26 kilo ohm. So now I can say that R is equal to 13.26 kilo ohm. It means that the value of R1 is equal to 13.26 kilo ohm and value of R2 is 13.26 kilo ohm. Therefore, R is equal to R1 is equal to R2, which is equal to 13.26 kilo ohm. So we found the value of R1 and value of R2, and we have assumed C value 0.001 microfarad. So C is nothing but C1 and C2. So we found the value of C1 as well as value of C2. Now the remaining the components are resistor R3 and resistor R4. We are supposed to find the value of resistor R3 and resistor R4. We know that the gain of Wien-Bridge oscillator, that is A, is equal to 1 plus R3 by R4, and we know that the beta value for Wien-Bridge oscillator is 1 by 3. So for sustained oscillation it should satisfy the Barkhausen criteria, that is A beta should be equal to 1. Therefore we can say 1 plus R3 by R4 must be greater than or equal to 3. Therefore we can say R3 value must be greater than or equal to R4 into 2, that is R3 must be greater than or equal to 2 R4. So this is the condition required for the sustained oscillations. So now we'll assume the value of R4. Let's choose R4 is equal to 100 kilo ohm. Therefore now I can say R3 must be greater than or equal to 200 kilo ohm. So if we choose the value of R3 greater than 200 kilo ohm and R4 value as 100 kilo ohm, we can get the sustained oscillations. So thus, according to the question, that is determine the component values, that is these all are the components. If we choose the value of R1 is equal to R 13.26 kilo ohm and value of C1 and C2 as 0.001 microfarad and the value of R3 as 100 kilo ohm, then R4 value must be chosen greater than or equal to 200 kilo ohm. Then this circuit will produce a sustained oscillations which oscillate with a frequency of. Therefore required values are R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R, which is 13.26 kilo ohm. C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C, which is 0.001 microfarad. Value of R3 must be greater than or equal to 200 kilo ohm and R4 must be equal to 100 kilo ohm. This is the required solution. Thank you.